12 self-help blogs that will inspire you to achieve your goals in life. Self-help blogs or personal growth blogs are easy to access, never more than a click or a finger tap away. I mean, if you have an internet connection, what a wonderful well of knowledge and experience to tap in. Self-help blogs can be a fantastic source of motivation and inspiration, which we can harness to achieve our goals in life. Some will give you ideas of goals, others will provide you with methodologies on how to get there or boost your morale on the way. So here is the list for your daily source of motivation, inspiration, words of wisdom, and other life-changing resources that will illuminate your way to personal success. 1. Mark and Angel Hack Life. This blog was started by Mark and Angel Chernoff in 2006. Today, it has already over 600 articles, 110,000 email subscribers, and has attracted over 100 million page views. The site has a simple yet powerful style of writing. Most of the blog posts published here are list-type articles which are easy to read and comprehend. Unlike some others, this blog is not too commercialized, as you will be reading inspiring posts and practical tips for productive living from Mark and Angel themselves. 2. Zen Habits. Zen Habits, a very popular blog created by Leo Babauta, is one of the earliest blogs that I've been following for inspirations in life. It's about finding simplicity in the daily chaos of our lives. It's about clearing the clutter to focus on what's important, finding happiness, and creating something meaningful with our lives. The blog has a minimalist design which lets you find only the most important pieces of information that you need. Moreover, Leo has already released his blog in the public domain. This means that you are free to reuse it, share it, or print it without asking for permission or giving a credit. 3. Tiny Buddha. Tiny Buddha is one of the leading resources for finding peace and happiness with over 2 million monthly readers. The blog is run by Lori Deschene. Although it's inspired by the wisdom of Buddha, the site isn't about religion. It's about sensible ideas and insights that make a big difference when applied. Here you'll find articles and stories about real happiness, motivation, inspiration, love, relationships, mindfulness, freedom, and simple wisdom for our complex lives. 4. Addicted to Success. This blog provides motivational videos, interviews, audio, and other resources with your favorite entrepreneurs, life coaches, celebrities, and inspirational people from all over the world. It was founded in April 2011 by Joel Brown, an Australian entrepreneur and life design coach who has a long-time passion for entrepreneurship, self-development, and success. So if you're ready to be addicted to success, check out the blog's inspiring content. 5. Lifehack. In order to reach your life's goals, you need to be efficient and follow the straightest line. Lifehack will help you for that. The site is dedicated to life hacks, any advice, resource, tip, or trick that will help you get things done more efficiently and effectively. The blog is authored by several life hack experts who will help you improve all the aspects of your life, including lifestyle, money, health, relationships, work, and technology. 6. Make simple now. Success in life is challenging. It requires patience, hard work, and persistence. However, that doesn't mean it's complicated. Quite the contrary instead. This is what Think Simple now want to teach its readers. Understand that life is really simple. Tina Sue founded the site, which consistently provides people with motivational and practical advice that we can actually apply to our daily life to live simply and happily. 7. Michael Hyatt. To achieve your goals, you have to learn leadership, particularly self-leadership. Michael Hyatt's personal blog will help you influence yourself as well as other people. Here you will find articles, podcasts, and interviews about leadership, personal development, productivity, and other topics that will help you achieve your personal, professional, and business goals. 8. The Positivity Blog. Negativity, self-doubts, and fear are hindrances to one's journey to personal success. If you want to create more happiness and look at your life in a more positive way, then the Positivity Blog is for you. The blog was founded by Henrik Edberg of Sweden. Since 2006, he has already written practical tips, newsletters, and created courses about simplifying life, getting rid of stress, and improving social skills, self-esteem, happiness, and awesomeness. 9. Dumb Little Man. I don't know where the Dumb Little Man name came from. The author doesn't know it either. But one thing is for sure, this blog is a great source of information about productivity, exceeding goals, automation, and finding a simpler way for everything. The site was created and written by a man who uses the pen name Jay White. Today, the site has already been publishing posts from other authors, who have been also featured and published on sites such as the New York Times, Washington Post, and Huffington Post. 10. Pick the Brain. Pick the Brain is a self-help blog dedicated to self-improvement with a focus on personal productivity, motivation, self-education, psychology, and philosophy. That should be broad enough. The site is not your traditional self-help blog, as it takes a broader approach and covers anything that is related to making the lives of people more prosperous. So if you want to read unconventional posts and tips about growing yourself and achieving your goals, don't forget Pick the Brain to include in your list. 11. The Happiness Project. Add a little more happiness and effective habits to ensure your way to personal success. You can join Gretchen Rubin in her daily adventures in pursuit of happiness and habits in her popular blog, The Happiness Project. Gretchen Rubin is a New York Times bestseller author and one of the most influential writers on habits and happiness. Her style is light and pleasant, and her approach pragmatic, not scientific. 12. Advanced Life Skills. This blog was created by Jonathan Wells, who considers himself a student of life. He worked with athletes and realized that discipline was a pleasure for them while it is a pain for most people. His goal is therefore to allow you to make simple adjustments in your core beliefs and eliminate internal disharmony, such that you are mentally ready to commit to your goals. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.